Today we will be unboxing the Nokia Lumia 520 device. This is the one of the mid-level Lumia devices. Basically, it is the entrance level Lumia device by Nokia in the 20 series, that is 520, 620 and 720 and 820 and 920, right? So this is a review unit we received from Nokia Lumia, from Nokia. Let's see what's inside the box. As you can see, this is the retail box having the usual packing as all the Lumia devices, right? Let's see. This is the Nokia Lumia 520 device, right? As you can see, this is the yellow color Lumia 520. Right. Let's see what else is in the box. This is the headphone or earphone. Apart from that, we have the charger here. And what else? This is the battery, which is perhaps basically it is the removable battery. It seems the Lumia 520 comes with a removable battery, which usually is not the case with higher-end Lumia devices. Normally the Lumia devices come with integrated battery and you cannot remove those battery, right? Let's see if we can pull that cover out and insert the battery and start up the phone, right? You can easily pull the device by pressing at this particular end and pulling it out from the top, right? As you can see, this is the SIM card slot which can be used to insert the micro SIM. This is the SD memory card slot which can be used for adding the additional memory up to 64 GB using a micro SD card, right? Let's insert the battery. Here it is. We don't have a SIM or the SD card at the moment, so we are just inserting the battery and will be powering on the device without any SIM card, right? Let's see. This is the power button, this is the volume rocker, and this is the most probably this is the camera button, which can be used to start the camera without going into the menu of the Windows operating system. Apart from this, this is the speaker cutout. This is the micro USB port, which can be used for charging the device and also for transferring data to and fro from the device to your system, right? What else? This is the 5 megapixel camera, front back camera. But if you see, this Lumia 520 doesn't come with any front camera. There is only one camera at the back, that is a 5 megapixel camera with a resolution of 2592 into the 1936 pixel, right? Apart from that, the camera comes with autofocus capability. Let's start the device and see. You can start the device by pressing the power button for a few seconds. The device is powering on. Nokia logo, as you can see, right? The device is based on Windows Phone 8 operating system, and let it turn it on. The device takes some few seconds to boot up. As you can see, as we don't have a SIM, so it is giving us a SIM error. Apart from the initial few seconds that need to be that it takes to boot up, the device starts quite quickly, right? As you can see, this is the default tile layout of Windows Phone 8, right? And it comes with few Nokia exclusive apps like Nokia AirDrive, Nokia Air Maps, right? Apart from that, you can see the Microsoft Office app is installed, right, with the default operating system. Using this Office app, you can edit or read Word documents or PowerPoint presentation or Excel worksheets, right? Let's see. Even though it's like in terms of features, the features of Word or Excel are pretty much very limited, but considering the fact that you are using mobile devices with just 4-inch screen size, these are good enough for most of the purpose that people usually do on their device with Word or Excel documents, right? Let's go back to the home screen. And what else? This is the Windows Store, which can be used for installing apps or games. Let's see if we need to connect the Wi-Fi to start using it. Let's see if we can connect the Wi-Fi. Okay. This is the basically all the apps that it comes pre-installed with the device. Some of the apps which came with this device are the Bitflix. If you are a movie fan, then it can be useful for you. Apart from that, these are the Nokia exclusive apps, right? What else we have covered? The screen is 4-inch IPS display, and the screen resolution is 480 by 800 pixels. In terms of pixels per inch density, it is 233 pixels per inch density, and the screen is protected with a scratch resistance glass, right? What else? In terms of connectivity, it comes with GPRS, edge speed, and 3G capability with HSDPA of 21.1 Mbps. Or if you are using a HSUPA network, it can support up to 5.7 Mbps. If you want, you can use this device also as a Wi-Fi hotspot. You can enable this by going to settings. Let's see if we can do that. Right, where it is, settings. Yeah. Here you can go to internet sharing, turn on, right? As we don't have the internet enabled on this device, so that's why that option is not turning out, right? So this is the Lumia 520, and we already covered it. This review of Lumia 520 on our blog tech2use.com. You can find the link of that review below this YouTube video. Just have a look there, and do not forget to share your feedback with us, right? Something else we need to cover. Yeah, the weight of the device is just 124 gram, even though the device may seem heavy compared to other devices due to the design factor or something else, but even though 124 grams is not pretty heavy. Just to compare this device with our other devices, we have a Nexus 4 device with us. Let's see how it compares in terms of size, even though the comparison may seem odd because it is an Android device and it is a Windows Phone device. Just for the sake of comparison, we are comparing it, right? In terms of say Width and height, it is just a bit what to call few inches, a fraction of few inches small in width and fraction of few inches small in length. If you compare it with the Lumia 5, compare with the Nokia Asha 501 device, you can see the size is quite big compared to compared to Nokia Asha 501. Thank you for watching the video. We'll catch you up with the next video soon. Thank you.